In this review, we'll be discussing in detail about the best power sander available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So, whether you need best power sander, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best Power Sander. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 6. Porter Cable 382 Random Orbit Sander. Dual plane counter, provides longer switch life, 100% ball bearing construction, provides maximum sanding speed, smooth finishes, accepts 5-inch 8-hole hook and loop sandpaper, 1.9 AMP motor and capable of 12,000 OPM. Very well made automatic speed control. Number 5. Makita BO5041K Orbit Sander Kit. Automatic speed control, variable speed control, ergonomic grip, additional handle, very powerful. Comes with a carrying case, rated best sander for 2020. Double insulated, smooth and fast sanding with 3.0 AMP motor. Pad control system for controlled pad speed upon startup. Number 4. Makita BO5030K 5-inch Random Orbit Sander, smooth and fast sanding with 3.0 AMP motor, rubberized grip for improved operator comfort and control. Large 1/8-inch Random Orbit action for fast and super smooth sanding, pad control system for controlled pad speed upon startup, efficient through the pad dust collection system for a cleaner work environment. Number 3. ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. Comes with everything you need to get started. Advanced features such as pad dampening, variable speed control, carrying case, included excellent dust collection built to erase swirl marks. Comfort comes first. Number 2. DeWalt DWE6421K Random Orbit Sander, lightweight sander, pleasing design, very maneuverable, best tool for paint removal. 3.0 AMP motor of the Orbit Sander spins the pad at 12,000 OPM. Rubber overmold in all of the critical areas of the sander, improved dust collection and one-handed locking dust bag. Number 1. Black & Decker BDERO 100 Orbital Sander. Lightweight, great design, easy sanding pad change, comfortable handle, best random orbit tool for removing paint from walls. Paddle switch function, comfortable grip, onboard dust collection.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.